Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about the feature that has been uh, included in the Angular framework, which is two-way data binding. Two-way data binding in Angular is a feature that combines property binding and event binding, and it allows the synchronization of the data between the component and the view. So I'll explain it in the code level example so you can get a broad idea about what is happening in two-way data binding. So for that, in Angular, the ngModel directive is commonly used to achieve two-way data binding. So first of all, let's add an input field here. So then I I can use ngModel. So we cannot use it like this way. First of all, we have to put that into square bracket, and now we have to put it into a bracket like this, and now we have to assign the variable. So here I can add main value. Okay, as you can see, it's getting a compilation error because the program cannot find where this value in the system. So we have to define that in the component class. So let's add that variable and the data type, and the initial value is null. So for that, then the two-way data binding has been achieved, so we can print that value by using interpolation, and the value is email value. Let's go to the view and see. Here the input field, if we type value, it will updating uh, with by using the feature of two-way data binding. So yeah, two-way data binding is simple as that. Hope you enjoy the video. If you have any question, reach me in the comment section. Thank you.